Good morning, students. Today's topic is digestion of food. Digestion is accompanied by two processes. First is the mechanical process and second is the chemical process. Let us see digestion of food in various organs of digestive system. First is the food when it enters inside mouth into the buccal cavity. Buccal cavity performs two major functions. First is mastication of food, फूड को चबाना, छोटे पीसीज में काटना, एंड सेकेंड इज द स्वेलोइंग, उसको निगलना, एंड पास इट ऑन टू द फेरिंग्स, देन लैरिंग्स एंड देन टू द food pipe, esophagus. Teeth, tongue and saliva present inside the buccal cavity. They mix the food and the mucus present in them in the saliva. It helps in adhering the food particle. Adhere मतलब join करना. Different food particles which are chewed by the teeth or cut into smaller pieces by the teeth, then they are adhered, joined together by the mucus, and now the food inside the mouth is known as bolus. Now the bolus is passed into the pharynx, and from pharynx it goes into the esophagus or food pipe. Now, by which process? From the bolus will pass into the pharynx by the process called swallowing, and swallowing is also known as deglutition. T-I-O-N. This is also called deglutition. Deglutition. Now, no digestion takes place inside the esophagus. Esophagus is simply a passage that connects the buccal cavity with the stomach, and it remains closed except during passage of food, and when the food enters the esophagus, it opens, its small portion opens. When food reaches to this portion, the upper part it will close automatically and lower will open, and this is how by rhythmic contraction and relaxation of esophagus food passes through the esophagus and reaches the stomach. These movements are called peristalsis or the peristaltic movements. Now we have seen in yesterday's chapter topic that saliva, it consists of electrolytes, various particles like sodium ions, potassium ions, chloride ions and bicarbonate ions, and there is present one enzyme. That enzyme was salivary amylase, or this is also known as ptyalin. Salivary amylase or ptyalin, which acts upon the carbohydrates of food. Mainly it acts upon starch, and it converts 30% of starch present in the food into the disaccharides, or the two saccharide means one sugar molecule, disaccharide means the two sugar molecules joined together, and the saliva or salivary amylase, it works at a pH of 6.8. Now the food reaches into the stomach. The walls of stomach, we have seen that they contain gastric glands. The structure we have already done. The gastric glands, they secrete gastric juice, and gastric juice contains what? It contains HCl, then two proenzymes or two inactive enzymes, and there is present mucus. HCl का क्या रोल था? It helps in activating these. It activates these inactive enzymes. Number two, it neutralizes the alkalinity of food. We have seen the food when it mixes with saliva, it becomes slightly alkaline because of the pH 6.8. Now this alkalinity of food is neutralized by the HCl. Second, it helps in neutralization, and third, it kills the harmful bacteria present in the food. Mucus, it helps in softening of food, and second, it protects द इनर लाइनिंग ऑफ स्टमक टू बी डिस्ट्रॉयड बाय HCl, क्योंकि ये इसकी pH बहुत कम है और वो इस HCl की वजह से स्टमक की इनर लाइनिंग को नुकसान पहुंच सकता है, तो म्यूकस जो है उसको प्रोटेक्ट करती है।